The storm is moving faster than the forecast predicted. We have to move now.
The buffalo won't survive the flood down here. We need to get them to the high ground before the dikes break.
I have the supplies ready. Lan, help the boys with the fencing. I will check the cattle one last time.
Keep moving! Don't look back! Until we hit the plateau! We made it! Everyone is up! Is the shelter holding? Tie it double! The wind is only gonna get stronger.
Your knee is swelling, Lan.
Sit.
The tablet says the peak will pass in 2 hours.
We lost the crop, but we saved the life of the farm. We will rebuild when the sun comes up. The rain has stopped. It is finally morning. The dikes are gone, and the ponds are buried.
We should take the western path. It is rocky and less likely to be a mudslide.
This tree has seen 100 storms. It knows we aren't going anywhere.
Most of the feed is ruined. We will need to bring more from the village storage.
I am sending our coordinates to the cooperative. They have a pump we can use for the ponds.
On 3.
1, 2, 3! If we build it with a curve here, the next flood will flow around the pens instead of through them. Look at that. The sun is back. Let's get to work.
This wall needs to be deeper. The water almost pushed the whole section over.
Drink this. You both have been working for hours without a break.
The village cooperative just sent word. 2 tractors and a repair crew are 5 minutes away.
Over here! The dikes are the first priority! Move it a half meter to the left, son. We need the curve to be wider to handle the flow. He's got the head for this. The farm is in good hands.
The pens are secure and the channels are open. We've done more in a day than I thought possible.
To the farm. And to us. We'll be ready for whatever comes next.
All primary structures are logged as stable. We did it. You have a good heart for this work, son. Your grandfather would be proud of how you use those gadgets to save the soil.
The buffalo are calm, and the pens are dry. There will be no more surprises tonight.
Then let's rest. Tomorrow is for planting, not just fixing.
Lan, watch that step. It's still a bit slick by the pond.
It looks different after a storm. Stronger, somehow. We start again. one seed at a time.
If we raise the irrigation lines here, the next flood won't reach them.
The earth remembers how to heal, children. You must only give it the tools.
Every drop has to count now.
The level is lower than yesterday. We need to activate the secondary tanks.
We will share the reservoir. No farm is left behind.
We don't just survive, we adapt.
The air is heavy. It is coming. Check the seals, Ming! We cannot afford to lose a single liter!
Finally, the sky is answering.
It is working! The tanks are filling faster than I calculated.
Nature gives, and nature takes. We just have to be ready to receive.
This storm bought us 3 weeks. If we manage the distribution correctly, we can help the neighbors too.
Resilience is only half the battle, Ling. The other half is kindness.
Together, we have built a farm that can weather any season. Now, let us build a village that can do the same.
We didn't just rebuild the pens. We built a system that lasts.
If we connect the village wells to the harvesting tanks, no one goes thirsty next summer.
Look for the ones with the darkest hull. They have survived the most sun.
Just 2 more inches, Min. Look at that flow! Oh, it's perfect!
We didn't do this for ourselves alone. We did this to show what's possible.
This tablet tells us exactly how much we have left, so we never run dry unexpectedly.
This is what the harvest tanks are for, to keep the whole village green.
You've grown into a leader, son, not just of crops, but of people.
This is just the beginning. We're gonna make sure every farm in this valley never fears the sky again.
This farm is no longer just a plot of land. It is our blueprint for the future.
By next month, every garden in the valley will be linked to our harvesting tanks.
Treat these like gold. They have the strength of the sun and the memory of the rain.
The pressure is holding. The water will reach the village gates by morning. We are ready. Our story will be their strength.
Tomorrow, the water flows. Tomorrow, we prove that no flood or drought can break the spirit of those who work together.
The land is changing, and we must change with it if we want to survive.
Grandfather, the water does not stay in the swales like it used to. What are we missing?
The roots of the past must hold the soil of the future. Look to the heights where the water begins.
We have the data, but we need the action. The upstream slopes are the key to our valley's safety.
The trail is steep, but the forest patches there are our only natural barrier against the floods. If we don't anchor this soil now, the next big rain will take the whole farm with it.
Grow deep, little one.
Today, we planted more than just trees. We planted a future that can withstand the storm.
The storm is coming sooner than the charts predicted.
Ling! The upstream sensors are spiking. We need to secure the lower swales now.
Do not fear the water, my children. We have built the cradle for it to rest.
It's rising fast. We need to clear the debris from the overflow pipe.
Now, young farmer, open the secondary gates. Let the valley breathe.
Look, the swales are holding. The system is working.
It took the storm to show us just how deep these roots really go.
We are not just survivors anymore. We are the architects of the new Earth. Every curve we carved into this Earth saved a life today. We need to update the manifesto. The flood markers showed exactly where the pressure was highest.
We add a new rule today. The mountain protects the valley, and we protect the mountain.
Good silt. The river gave back what the wind tried to take.
Watch the pressure drop here. That is your 10-minute warning for the next generation.
Tomorrow, we go further upstream. There are more slopes to anchor. We are ready for whatever comes next. The storm was just the beginning. Today, we expand the sanctuary. These saplings are ready. Their roots are thick and thirsty.
Carry the spirit of the valley with you. The soil knows its masters.
This is where the flood truly begins. If we heal this, we heal everything below. Ling, the first anchor is set. The soil profile is better than we thought.
We are the bridge between the old mountain and the new world.